Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you hide apps on iPhone. Now, this is a very cool trick, so let's start. So first, let's choose an app logo that we can use to conceal our actual app. So let's go to the App Store and choose something that we can use. So in my case, let's try to use this one here. Let's use Minecraft. Now what you can do here is you can take a screenshot. Now go back and go to Photos. Now let's open the screenshot that we took. Now from here, tap on Edit and tap on Crop. So we're going to crop this until only the logo is shown. Like so. Now after this, tap on Done. Now here is a trick. Tap on Shortcuts and tap on the plus icon on the upper right corner and tap on Add Action. Now here we want to tap on Scripting, tap on Open App, and tap on Choose. Now I want to hide Facebook, so let's search app and type in Facebook. Here we go. Now tap on the three dots on the upper right corner. Now let's name the shortcut. I want to call it Minecraft because that's what the logo is. And tap on Add to Home Screen. Now here, rename the shortcut again. I'm going to name it Minecraft. And tap on the picture, choose photo. Now here, we're going to choose the one that we cropped. Tap Choose and tap on Add. Now let's swipe up and go back to our home screen. And we can see that we have this Minecraft icon here, but when we open it, it is actually Facebook. Now the next thing to do is to remove Facebook from the home screen. So let's tap and hold on Facebook and tap on Remove App and tap on Remove from Home Screen. So there you have it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.